just trying to go to work. And I normally walk 7:30, normally walk that time. And the time I was looking out of the window, I wanted to greet the people in the house and say, look here, I want to go. And I was just see something here in the sky. I discovered that whole, like a black cloud, man, was spinning like and I think, yeah, this was a tornado. And I was just, I discovered here by the gate, I think, yeah, the thing isn't coming up, and I'm going to try to bend down. And I say, yeah, and I just went, wah! I said, oh, Dad is upstairs. My father's 92 years old. And I was just trying to run upstairs and to see if he's fine. But when I go there, I just see the hole, and I think, hey, yo, what is wrong here, yo? And I come out, and I run to the road, and I see all the people's houses is all ripped off.
I just heard a strong wind came up, and then I heard these sheets are flying over the roof. And as I came out here on the stairway from me, I saw my whole roof is gone. You know, this roof is on here for over 60 years, I think. And the council never maintained this roof, you understand? And every time when the wind blows, the roof lifted and lifted until this morning came to a final that the roof must go, you understand?
We are in Hanover Park because we've got numerous phone calls this morning, basically just to ask for assistance for these people that were affected by this mini tornado that has hit this area. So there was about 24 more houses whose roofs are completely blown away, and then there's about 10 informal houses like shacks, that is like tenants on the properties whose houses were also destroyed. And we basically came to just come and give some immediate assistance in terms of a hot plate of food and some blankets and plastic roof sheeting so that they can just cover their homes for now, because it is still raining in this area.